Hello everyone! Today, we'll dive into the Eczema tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to manage products in your marketplace. Whether you're an admin or a seller, you'll discover how to view, add, and manage your product listings effortlessly, ensuring seamless operations and enhanced visibility for your online store. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Eczema admin panel. Enter your username and password, then click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you will see the admin dashboard. This is where you can manage your marketplace. Now let's dive into managing your product listings. Navigate to the Configuration section and click on Product Configuration. This page serves as the control center for all your product-related settings. It contains several key options that define how your marketplace handles product listings. For example, the Auto Approve product setting ensures that all products added to your marketplace store are automatically approved, eliminating the need to manually approve each new product. The Auto Disable product setting allows your products to be automatically disabled after a specified date. Additionally, the Product Add by CSV setting lets you add products in bulk at one time. You can customize these settings according to your needs, creating a seamless system for both you and your sellers. Now that we have configured our product settings, let's move on to adding actual products. Now that we have configured the product settings, let's move into the Product section where you can manage your marketplace products. From the top menu, click on Products, and you will notice a drop-down with several options. Each submenu serves a specific purpose in your product management workflow. First is the Product Listing, which acts as your main product management hub, where you can view, add, and manage all the products. Variant Inventory allows you to manage products with multiple variant options, such as sizes or colors. Product Option enables you to define custom options for your products. Product Tags lets you create and manage tags for your products, while Product Types helps you organize products into categories for easier management. The Collection feature lets you group products into collections to improve customer navigation. For today's demonstration, let's focus on the most essential function, adding and managing products through the Product Listing section. Click on Product Listing, and you will see an organized table displaying all your existing products. Each row contains crucial details such as the product ID, product image, product name, seller name, product type, product price, quantity, and the product status, whether approved or disapproved. This table serves as the ultimate control center for managing your products. At the top, there is a search bar where you can quickly locate a specific product by entering details like its product ID or name. You will also notice a Sort By drop-down menu, which allows you to organize the products based on criteria such as recently added items or other options. Additionally, there is a Filter By feature that helps you refine the list according to specific parameters, such as the product type or status. The product list will automatically update to reflect your selection. Now, let's add a new product. To do this, click on the Add Product button. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the Add Product page, where you will find a product form divided into multiple sections. Let's go through each section one by one. Product Details. First, choose the product type, either normal or digital. In the Seller Email field, enter the seller's email address. In the Product Name field, provide the name of the product. For example, I am entering Men's Yellow Cotton T-shirt. Under the Brand Name section, specify the brand name. Here, I have entered Decathlon as the brand name. In the Product Type field, select a predefined product type that you have added in the Product Type section. For instance, I am selecting T-shirt. In the Product Description field, you can write a detailed description of the product. In the Product Tags section, select predefined tags that have been added in the Product Tag section. On the right-hand side, you will find an option to upload an image. You can upload the image by clicking on the Upload Image button. From here, you can add the product to a collection. In the Shipping Details section, enter the weight of the product and select the appropriate unit. Tick the box if the product requires shipping. In the Pricing Details section, provide the selling price of the product. You can also set the compare it price, handling charges, and sales price for the product. Remember to include applicable taxes for this product if required. In the Inventory Details section, you can enter the SKU and barcode for the product. You can also choose whether to track inventory for this product. Additionally, you need to specify the quantity of available stock. If your product has variants, such as size or color, you can click on the Add Variant button and enter the necessary details. Finally, you can add the product handle and product meta fields. Once all the fields are filled out correctly, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If everything has been entered properly, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that your product has been successfully added. Now, let's explore how you can manage these products in your marketplace. On the product listing page, navigate to the Action column, where you will notice 3 dots. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Each option allows you to perform a specific action on the product. For example, if you click on the Edit option, you will be redirected to the Edit Product page. Here, you can update all the product details we discussed earlier, such as the product name, description, pricing, variants, and more. Once you have made the necessary changes, click on the Save Changes button, and your product will be updated. Now let's see how your product appears to customers. From the same action dropdown, click on the View in Store option. This will redirect you to the product page on your website, allowing you to see how it is presented to customers. Let's move on to the other option in the action column. Next, we have Reassign. Clicking on this option allows you to transfer the product to a different seller within your marketplace. This feature is particularly useful if you need to change the seller associated with a product. For example, if the original seller is no longer managing the product, you will be prompted to enter the new seller's email address from the list. Once confirmed, the product will be successfully reassigned to the new seller. Next up is the Disable option. If you select this option, the product will be temporarily deactivated from your marketplace. While it will no longer be visible to customers on your website, it will still remain on your product listing page with its status updated accordingly. Finally, we have the Delete option. Clicking on this option will permanently remove the product from your marketplace. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you don't accidentally delete the product. Once confirmed, the product will be completely removed from the product listing table and will no longer be available on your website. Use this option with caution, as the action cannot be undone. If you change your mind, you will need to add the product again from scratch. Now let's take a look at another powerful feature on the product listing page. At the top right, you will notice a More Actions button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with 2 handy options: Bulk Edit and Add Product by CSV. First, let's explore the Bulk Edit option. If you need to update several products simultaneously, doing it one by one can be time-consuming. This is where the Bulk Edit feature comes in. Click on More Actions and select Bulk Edit. You will be redirected to the Bulk Edit page, which has 2 main sections: Export Product List and Upload Updated Product CSV. Start with the Export Product List section. Here, you can select a duration or date range for the products you want to edit. Once you have set the date range, click on the Export button. This will download a CSV file containing all the products within the chosen date range. Open the CSV file on your computer and make the necessary changes. Next, return to the Bulk Edit page and move to the Upload Updated Product CSV section. Click on Upload CSV, select the updated CSV file from your computer, and then click on Validate. Finally, click the Submit button, and your products will be updated in bulk across the marketplace. Next, let's talk about the Add Product by CSV option, which is ideal for adding multiple products to your marketplace at once. From the More Actions dropdown, select Add Product by CSV. This will take you to the Add Product by CSV page, where you can upload products using a CSV file. This page offers 2 methods for uploading. In Method 1, under Upload Products CSV, you can download a sample file by clicking on the Download hyperlink. prepare your CSV file with all the necessary product details and upload it by clicking on the Upload CSV button. After uploading, click on Validate to check for errors, and then hit Submit to add the products to your marketplace. Method 2 allows you to upload additional files, such as a product CSV and an image zip file for product images, as well as an image CSV to map images to products. This method is especially useful if you are adding products with images in bulk. Simply upload the files in the respective sections, validate them, and then click Submit. Now let's dive into another time-saving feature on the product listing page, the Bulk Action dropdown. You'll notice that each product row has a checkbox on the left. You can select products by ticking their respective checkboxes. Once you have selected one or more products, navigate to the Bulk Action dropdown. Click on it, and you will see a list of actions that you can perform in bulk. Let's move on to another useful feature on the product listing page. If you need to download a detailed list of your products for record keeping, you can easily do so using the Export Details button. Click on this button, and you will be taken to the Export Product page. On the left, you'll find a section labeled Choose Columns for Export. This allows you to select specific details to include in your CSV file by checking or unchecking the relevant boxes. Next, set the date range for the products you want to export. Once you've selected your columns and specified the date range, you have two options. The first is the Export button, which immediately downloads the CSV file, and the second is Save and Export, which saves your column preferences for future exports before downloading the file. After clicking the Export button, a CSV file will be downloaded to your system. Before we wrap up, a quick note for sellers. If you are managing your own products, you can add them directly from your seller dashboard in a manner very similar to what we have discussed. The interface and required fields, such as product name, price, and quantity, are essentially the same as those in the admin panel. However, keep in mind that certain permissions, such as editing or deleting products, may vary depending on your customized marketplace settings. Be sure to check these configurations to understand your access level. That concludes the product management section. By following these steps, you will be able to efficiently manage your marketplace product listings, ensuring a seamless experience for both sellers and customers. We have covered everything from adding and editing products to performing bulk actions and exporting product details. In our next video, we will dive into additional features that can help you further manage and optimize your product listings. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.